Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for coming back. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. You're welcome to my channel. And if you've not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button, and after watching this video, please remember to give me a thumb up. Thank you. See, this recipe you don't have to use this for just pancake. You can even use it as cake. So if you make 2 of this or 3 of this, you can stack them together, decorate as your cake because it's really spongy. I'm going to show you how I make my pancake. During the week I still have my pancake, and it's because it's very easy to make. Also, it does not require my time, so I can just make my pancake while I'm getting dressed in the shower. Half cup of flour, so everything goes into just 1 cup. Need half cup of flour. Need half tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon baking powder, I need just 1 egg, olive oil, you can also use butter, but in the morning I don't have time to start melting butter, so I just use olive oil to save my time. And you will hardly notice the difference because the pancake will come out very, very nice. 1/3 cup of milk, and a dash of salt. Here we have everything we need for the pancake, and I will just give it a quick whip. So it doesn't take time to mix it. Don't worry if your mix has if it has lumps, it does not really matter. It's going to cook really, really well. Now the trickiest part is understanding your cooker. My cooker, the switch has about 6 point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then off. So since I mastered the first one is very hot, within few minutes whatever it is you put on it will start to boil, and the 7th one is just to keep it warm. So when I want to make my pancake and also go to the shower in the morning, I spend just about 10 minutes in the shower. So I just put this on the 4th position, the 5th position, between the 4th and 5th position. First I start with the 4th position to this batter. Because we already added oil to this batter, I will not be oiling my pan. I will just transfer all the content into the pan. I'm sure you'll be wondering, oh, but that's no longer a pancake. Yeah, that's how I save time. Instead of frying in batch, like in small batches, to be able to get the stack of a nice looking pancake, you'll be surprised at how this will turn out. You see, all the lumps that you saw at the beginning, they are all gone because the batter has rested for 1 or 2 minutes to mix well together. So, see my pancake. So this batter, I'm going to cover it up. So this, I cover it. And our time now is 9:09. So I'm going to go to the shower and we'll check what time, how long it takes to make this pancake. But be rest assured that if you understand your the switch on your gas cooker, then you don't have to worry about getting it burnt. If I move the if I use the first switch, even before I undress to go to the shower, the pancake will trigger the smoke alarm. And so just trust me when I say that the fourth one, if you're also using the same type of cooker as mine, the fourth knob can keep the food cooking without getting it burnt in 10 minutes. So guys, it's still okay. Let's say it's 9:10. So see you guys in 10 minutes. So guys, I just came back from the shower and you can see our pancake. It didn't get burnt, but the maybe it's not ready. And the time. So it has cooked for 10 minutes already. Let's just, yeah, 10 minutes. And we can either close it to continue cooking or flip it over so that we can let the other side cook as well. So we can flip it over to allow the other side to cook. Just gently lift it up and look at that pancake. It's looking great already. See that? It's perfectly baked at the other side. I will still cover this while I go to dress up. So I'm going to put this on the 5th one now so that the other side doesn't overcook. You don't want to eat overcooked pancake. It won't even motivate you to make the next one if you make an overcooked pancake. So see you again in 5 minutes while I just quickly put on my office wear. So my dressing up took me extra 6 minutes. Not bad. Okay, and how's our pancake looking? That's looking like fabulous. See, the other side done. The beautiful part. I'm sure you'll be wondering how I have this kind of time to make pancake for before I go to work. But it's actually easy, as you can see that. My favorite topping, maple syrup. Okay, let's eat. Bon appetit, guys. So you see, it's more like a cake than a pan. Well, it's also called a cake, a pancake.